How to add more account to your TikTok without log out your TikTok account. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add more accounts on your TikTok without log out your account. So first thing you're gonna do is go to your TikTok account, go to profile, tap on those three buttons up there, tap on setting in privacy, and the second before the last options, which is switch account, tap on there, and you can tap on add account, and directly you can add more accounts on your TikTok without log out your account by use phone or email. Continue with Google or Facebook or Twitter. And this is our video. Hope it was helpful and you like it. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.